Hello and welcome to Design Guy. Ready to jazz up your slides? I'll show you how to create stunning animated designs in Canva. Click Create to start a new file. Next, choose Presentation from the options. Finally, select your preferred presentation template to begin customizing your content. Next, go to the Elements tab in the menu. Once you're there, use the search bar to type animals and review the available options. Here, 5 animals are shown. They have already been gathered together for this example demonstration. Go to the Text tool and add a new text box. Click inside the box and type the letter A. Adjust its position or style as needed to match your design requirements. Change the font color to white by selecting the text, then choosing white from the font color menu. Place the first letter in the designated spot. Next, duplicate this pattern until you have a total of 5 letters displayed in a row. Make sure each letter evenly matches the original template as you go. Once all 5 letters are in place and aligned correctly, proceed to focus on the last one for the next step in the process. Control the keyboard to enter 5 letters in the provided boxes. After you've typed in your 5-letter word, press the Enter key to submit it. Then, review each letter's color. Adjust the color for each letter to reflect if it's correct, in the correct spot, or needs to be changed, following the game's color guidelines. First, label each item with A, B, C, D, and E. These will be used for alternate slides or to apply alternating colors to the letters in each slide. Next, search for the corresponding letter in your sequence to ensure each color or slide matches its designated letter and position. Assign each letter to an animal, such as A for ant, B for bird, and C for cow, continuing through the alphabet. Next, add transitions by clicking the Transition button. This lets you browse available transition effects. Select your preferred transition, then apply it to your slides. Repeat these steps for each slide to ensure a consistent, polished look. Select a transition that suits your slide from the available options. In this example, choose the flow transition. Adjust the duration to control the animation speed. Increasing the duration will make the transition slower, while decreasing it will speed up the effect. Experiment with these settings to achieve the desired visual result for your presentation. Click the Apply Between All Pages button. Once applied, let's test the changes. Start by playing the presentation to see the updates in action. Go to the slideshow mode and review how the new settings appear across all slides. On the first page, press Ctrl, Alt, and P together, or click the icon at the bottom of the screen. Now you'll see labels appear: X, A, and B for P, C assigned to C, D for D, and E for E. These shortcuts help you navigate quickly between sections for efficient workflow and easy access to different features. After completing your animation, click the Download button. You can choose to save your project as a PDF standard file, which is useful for printing or sharing as a document. Alternatively, select MP4 Video to export your animation as a video file, or choose PowerPoint Presentation for editing in PowerPoint. Now you can make awesome animated slide designs in Canva. Hit like and subscribe if you want more creative tips like this.